I mean, ultimately, you understand women enough to know that, like, women are gonna say things, right? It doesn't mean like their words align with their beliefs.
Right? Not at all.
Like, so it's not like I can't stand that nigga, and then you hear her back being blown out from the same bro, like, you know. So there's like there, you know, we just gotta keep it raw and real. Like that's, I think fundamentally you're either very naive as a man and inexperienced if you think that everything a woman says must be what she said. You know, like if you know, you're very inexperienced and or you're just very delusional and like what she said and she should be like a man and hold her word. That's another thing. If we don't hold our word, you know,
they will hold us accountable for not holding our word.
And so there are double standards in there.
And most of the time we can't even remember what they said. Facts.
But there are double standards, right? And because that's where the difference comes. You can't, well, it's not equal and it's not perfectly equal, right? Like there are double standards. And women benefit from their double standards. I mean, you know, I want 10 wives. It's just how it is. Doing 10 last episode. Check that out.